High temperature protection of condenser. Malfunction conditions. When outdoor pipe temperature is more than 65 degrees Celsius, the unit will stop, and unit runs again when outdoor pipe temperature is less than 52 degrees Celsius. The failure may be caused by faulty condenser temperature sensor heat exchanger, dirty, and system leakage or blocking. Troubleshooting is shown in figure. Check whether the condenser temperature is higher than 65 degrees Celsius. If the temperature is lower than 65 degrees Celsius, check the condenser temperature sensor. Check whether the connection is correct between the condenser temperature sensor and the PCB. Correct the wiring connection. Measure the resistance value of the sensor. If the value is abnormal, replace the condenser temperature sensor. If the value is normal, replace the outdoor main PCB. Check whether the outdoor ambient temperature is higher than 50 degrees Celsius. If yes, stop the unit. Check if the outdoor unit ventilation is good, and make sure the outdoor unit ventilates well. If ventilation is good, check if the outdoor fan runs properly. Please refer to the solution of fan speed malfunction. Find out the cause and solve troubles. If the error still exists, check whether the heat exchanger is dirty. If yes, clean the heat exchanger. If the error still exists, replace outdoor main PCB. Check whether the system pressure is normal. If the system pressure is abnormal, add the refrigerant. If the error still exists, check whether the refrigerant system is okay. Find out the cause and solve troubles.